In today's video, I'll teach you how to sign in ADP account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in www.adp.com. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of ADP. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to sign in to your account, it is actually very simple. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find this option for sign in. Click on it. Now you'll be able to sign in to your account. First of all, what you have to do is pick the option that describes you the best. You'll be able to find various options over here. Read all these options carefully and click on the option of your choice. Now click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be prompted to enter your user ID. What you have to do is simply enter your user ID. Click on the field of user ID and enter it over here. If you want this browser to remember your user ID, check on this box, remember user ID. If you need any help signing in, click on this option, need help signing in, that you can see on the screen. Now after you enter the user ID, click on the next option that you can see on the screen. If your user ID is correct, you'll be prompted to enter the password. Simply enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you forgot your password, you'll also be able to find the option for forgot your password. Click on it and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter the user ID and password, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you sign in ADP account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.